Hello everyone, this is Ankie from Landpack. Today in this video, I will introduce our horizontal pouch filling machine. And this solution will be separately introduced by 3 parts. The first part is the main horizontal pouch filling machine, and the second part is the multi-head weighing system, and the third part is the material elevator. Let me introduce one by one. Okay, let's see the main pouch filling machine. And in the first part, we will introduce the control panel. In the whole system control will be by this touch screen, and our touch screen adopts Siemens brands. And the below is the heating shield temperature control, and there is stop button, drop button, and stop button, and also is the emergency stop switch. Okay, let's see the main pouch filling machine. This is the pre-made pouch holding plate. You can put the pre-made pouch here, and the vacuum plate will give the pre-made pouch to the machine. Like this, the vacuum plate absorbs the pouch, and then this swing arm will swing the pouch to giving the main machine first workstation. This is the clamp will catch the pouch and convey to the next workstation. The clamp picking up the pouch and convey to the opening pouch workstation. This is the vacuum plate to opening the pouch, and then the mechanism will convey the pouch to the filling hopper. After filling, they will continue to convey the pouch to heat sealing. After heat sealing, there is another stem seal function on the sealing bar. You can see this is the deco stem seal on the sealing area. And this is the main pouch filling machine. On the second part, this is the weighing system. We equip 40 heads weighing hopper 1.6 liter to this solution. You may find the weighing system is dimple plate designed. It is suitable for sugar candy weighing and decrease the sugar candy stick on the weighing hopper and increase the weighing accuracy. And this is the eye sensor to detect the material storage level on the weighing system. If the material is in sufficient level, they will send the signal to the material elevator to feed material. And this is the vibrating plate. And the bottom is the timing hopper. It can save the weighing time and increase the whole solution production capacity. In the third part, let's see the material elevator. It is a zip-tie material elevator. It is also a time and labor saving device. It is made of stainless steel 304. This is the raw material hopper. You can put the raw material inside this hopper, and this vibrating plate will feed the material into the bucket. This is the bucket chain. The bucket will convey the material one by one to the weighing system. This is the electricity box control of the whole material elevator.